Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the divided open shells stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my video on how to do that stitch. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 8 plus 1. For this tutorial, and say hello to my cat, I did a quick 8 chains plus 1 for a total of 9. Alright, once you have your chains, you want to chain 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you want to work 3 double crochets. Followed by chaining 2 and working 3 more double crochets in that same chain space. Alright, then we want to chain 1, and we want to skip 3 chains and we want to do 1 double crochet, followed by a chain 1, skip 3 chains, and we're going to do the same repeat that we did before. So in the last chain, we're going to work 3 double crochets, followed by chaining 2 and working 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. And that finishes row 1. So our repeat for this pattern for the whole entire project will be how we do row 2. But you can see how it gives it that divide in the middle. I love how this looks. So we will start by chaining 3. And in that chain 2 space, we're going to do this same pattern that we did before. So we're going to work 3 double crochets, followed by chaining 2 and working 3 more double crochets in the same space. Now never forget that when you do your projects, you always want to make sure that you start by chaining 3. Alright, and then we're going to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet right in that same bridge stitch that we did before. Chain 1, and then we're going to work our 3 double crochets in that chain 2 space from the row before. Chaining 2 and working 3 more double crochets in that same space. I love how easy this pattern looks, but it looks so complicated once it starts getting bigger in size. You can see how the pattern comes along as it gets bigger. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.